How to send files using Wetransfer. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to send files using Wetransfer. For that keys, you have to make sure that you already have an account and also make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and open up your Wetransfer application, and when you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Alright, on this page you can see in the bottom left hand side corner there's this option as sent. Go ahead and tap that. So right on this page you can see there's this plus icon located right in between. Go ahead and tap that, and here you can go ahead and select the ways to send your files. So you could either send as an email or you can go ahead and upload the file. Press on the upload file button if you wish to upload it from your device's storage, and in my case I'm going to go with scan document. And when you go ahead and select the particular scan document, let's see that I'm gonna go with this one. When you're done taking picture of this, then you need to click the done button. After that, you can go ahead and select the transfer button located right at the bottom. Since the link is already ready, now click the share button, and here you can go ahead and select the method of sending. You can send it through different platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, all that, and that's how you can send files using Wetransfer. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.